So the next topology, that is the 10 base FL. 10 base FL is a specification of Ethernet over a fiber optic cable. This supports a maximum cabling distance about 2000 meters and eliminate any electrical complication. So, and then next 100 VG any LAN. The VG stands for VG stand for it implies voice gate, and X implies multiple media types. So voice gate, this speed of transmission is here 100 megabits per second. VG stands for voice gate. It uses twisted pair of cable. 100 VG any LAN uses the demand priority access method, that is CSMS or CD, which provides two priority levels. Computer are connected to child hub, and child hub are connected to higher levels hub called parent hub. So these are the 100 VG voice grade LAN. Then maximum length of cable attached to hub is 250 meters, that is 820 feet. 100 base X, that is X is the X is used for multiple media types. Then this uses the star topology. The transmission speed of 10 base S is 100 megabits per second. 10 base X is also called as fast Ethernet. The next topic is token ring. Token is this is the concept used in ring topology. Token ring uses a token passing architecture. The topology is physically a star, but it uses a logical ring to pass the token from station to station. It means it uses the packet and which is sent from one station to another station. Mean it passes the packet from one node to another node. Each node in token ring is attached to the connector called a multi-station access unit, that is MSAU and MAU. Because of MASU, a single computer failure does not stop the whole network. Token ring cabling. What are the cabling are used in token ring? So traditionally it uses a twisted pair cable. The following are standard IBM cable types of token ring. The first one, type 1. This uses a twisted pair of solid copper wire, a braided shield surrounded wire. This is used for connection of terminals and distribution panel. The maximum cable distance is 101 meter, that is 331 feet. The type 1 uses STPs. Type 2 uses the total 6 twisted pairs. 2 are STPs and 4 are UTPs. The voice and data are included in same cable run. The maximum cable distance in 100 meters. Then type 3. This uses UTP copper with a minimum of 2 twists per inch. This is low cost cable. Signals cannot travel at faster speed. The maximum cable distance is 45 meter. The token ring network uses STP cabling and can support up to 260 computers. Type 3 cabling token ring can support up to 72 computers. The minimum distance between computer or between MSAU is 2.5 meter, that is 8 feet. A patch cable is a cable that connects MSAU. They are typically type 6 cable. Token ring can uses a UTP cable with RJ45 connector on each end. Type 1 and type 2 cabling uses IBM type A connector. Token ring cabling is shown in figure. This is the token ring cabling. The token ring network uses the STP cabling and support 260 computers. And type 3 cabling token rings can support 72 computers. Okay, the minimum distance between computer or between MSAU is 2.5 meter. So these are the adapter or patch cable which is consist of the number of nodes. Ri is the ring in and Ro is the ring out. So from one hub to another hub, the distance is the 150 feet maximum. So these are the token ring cabling. Passing data on token ring. A frame called